Hi everyone, and welcome to our YouTube cooking channel, Spicy Food 6972. Today we're going to be making chicken corn soup with homemade chicken stock. For this you'll need 400 grams of chicken with bone, 1 cup of sweet corn, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of black or white pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 halal Maggi chicken flavor stock tablets, salt to taste, 10 slices of onion, 2 pieces of garlic cloves, 2 small pieces of ginger, 2.5 tablespoons of green onion, and 1.5 liter of water. So first of all, to cook this, we're going to put our 1.5 liters of water on high heat. Put it in our Maggi chicken seasoning. There are 2 tablets there, the chicken stock. Our ginger, our garlic, and our onions. And we're going to put in our chicken. So our broth is coming to a boil, and we added 1 chicken stock, but you can add any chicken stock of your flavoring of your liking that you want, and it's optional, so you don't have to add it. And now we're going to leave this to boil for another half an hour so that it cooks. We're going to leave it at medium-low heat and put the lid on it.
For half an hour.
So we have been boiling the broth for half an hour now.
It's very medium-low heat. So we are done.
And now we're going to remove the chicken from the broth. So now we're going to blend our corn in a food processor. We're back at the broth and it's come to a boil again and it's all ready. Remember that we're going to blend our corn so that it's crushed, not just paste or anything else. And we're going to put our corn in. We're going to put our unboned chicken that's been crushed also to just fibers.
Separated it from the bone.
Yes. Into our broth. And you have to remember that the chicken stock and soy sauce has salt in it, so you don't have to add too much salt right away. Always you can taste and try and add salt later. So we're going to put in all of our soy sauce.
It's light coconut soy sauce.
It's from Cocoman and it's for the typical seasoning. Been another 4 minutes and we're going to give it a stir and put the heat at medium-high. And we're going to put in our corn flour.
To add our corn flour, 3 tablespoons of corn.
3 tablespoons, right. We're going to add our scrambled eggs, the 2 of them. Do it while stirring the broth, otherwise you're going to get clumping of the eggs. And slowly pour the egg into the broth, little by little. Another 2 minutes, and we're going to put in half a teaspoon of black pepper. We're almost done, and we're going to sprinkle our green onions on our broth.
Spring onions.
Yep, and this is a total of 15 minutes after we have made the broth. So it's been a total of 1 minute since we put in the spring onions, and now we're done. So we're going to turn off the stove, and you can see the consistency of it. So here we are, we're done our chicken corn soup. It's a very healthy and nutritious recipe. We recommend it because if you're sick or you need to go on a diet, this is a very good dish recipe to try. And you can see what it looks like. That's the final. Follow our recipe step by step. We have all the instructions on our YouTube video, and you should be able to enjoy this recipe exactly as we showed it right over here.